Welcome to the 2024 GreatFlorida Insurance Summer Conference, and I welcome you to the greatest event we've ever held.
It's going to be an action-packed, fun-filled, productive business event, and we will renew acquaintances, friendships, and make some money long-term with the relationships that we create.
Great Florida is really a community and a family. And for this great event that each and every year they put out for us to get together, for us to get closer, for us to communicate what's going on, but most of all to get together and unite even more.
This event is amazing because we not only connect with carriers, but we also connect with our colleagues. And my favorite part about connecting with our colleagues is sharing best practices. I really love being part of the Great Florida family.